natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, it's so easy and you will be felt very interesting with this chapter, and you can also learn it very quickly. And could you see my screen right now? Please raise your
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
if you can see my screen. Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us, yeah. If you have any doubts, once again, I'm telling, kindly wait until I finish the particular explanation. After that, you ask your doubts, so that you will be clear with my explanation. If you ask the doubts in between means, then it will be very clumsy. Okay, so these are the things we are going to see. Natural vegetation. You wanted to know firstly, what is natural vegetation? Okay, natural vegetation and wildlife. What is natural vegetation means nothing but there is no human in. See, plants need moisture and heat in order to survive. Moisture means, you know, that is watery consistency, that is irapadam, and heat, you know, that will comes from sun, and moisture we can get it from rainfall. And it is in order to survive, in order to grow in a healthy way, a plant should have this too. And
Ma'am, last year
next
we
is,
learned that
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
natural
yes,
vegetation is the vegetation
yes,
that
yes,
interaction
yes,
without the
very good,
humans, ma'am.
very good, very good, very good. We have learned it. We are going to see it in depth. That's all. Okay. You human interference means humans, that is மனிதர்களுடைய தலையீடு இல்லாமல், they we are not going to water the plant, or we are not going to give any kind of nutritions to the plants. Okay, it will grow naturally. Those things are called as natural vegetation. Okay, most of the plants, like you could say,
Ma'am,
it is
like
neem,
grass.
mango. Yeah, grass, neem, mango, dates. Okay, lot of most of the plants that will grow without our interference around the nature, that is called as natural vegetation. So, and few more points will be added, is added here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sanjana.
Ma'am, can you teach from the first, ma'am?
This is the first year. You are in the right time. No issues. Okay. You just this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
starting.
Okay, ma'am.
Natural vegetation is a gift of nature, because without our interference, nature is giving lot of things for our survival. With this natural vegetation, we are intaking all the food items, isn't it? If we don't have plants, means we may not have most of the vegetables and food items to eat. Okay, if you only animals will be there, we cannot always hunt with the animals, we cannot eat always the flesh. Okay, so this is a main thing we have got from nature as a gift. Okay, so they follow the climatic variables, which means according to the climatic condition that differs. For example, we used to always say India is a very good place for agriculture and vegetation. Why we are saying such things? Because India has a very good fertile land. Okay,
Has
climate,
a
very
fertile
fertile,
and
yeah.
good climate, ma'am.
Yes, that's why it is an agricultural land across the world even. So this climate only shows that natural vegetation, which crop will grow here. Please mute yourself, dear, after answering. Which crop will grow here? Which crop will be very better to grow here? Like that. Please mute yourself. I'm saying. So that.
Ma'am, log it, ma'am. Ma'am, log it.
Okay. Wait, let me mute him first. Always he has this habit.
Yes.
He has muted, I think.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
Gurudev,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Wait,
she was
I
muted.
didn't. Yes.
Jai Gurudev,
Please.
ma'am.
Yes. Jai Gurudev. Wait.
Nankula
Okay.
in the
Let's
class was
continue.
start, I think so, ma'am.
Yes, let us go into the point. Natural vegetation is a gift of nature, and many of us. Okay, and Due to variety of climatic changes, natural vegetation in different area that differs. What are all the natural vegetations we have on our earth? That means forest. Okay, the first thing is forest, and next is grasslands. Okay, and in grassland itself we could see deserts. Okay, these kind of different land masses we have as a natural vegetation. And what are all the type of forest exist? Okay, all these things only we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, before moving into that, just see, this is the outline of this chapter. Very easy. Forest. What are all the types of forest? Tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Yes, Jai Gurudev, please don't interrupt. Once you enter, just continue with the chapter. If you have any doubts, means please keep it with you. At the end of the session, I may also teach you right from the beginning. Okay, whatever you have doubts. If you interrupt in the middle, means don't ask me that, ma'am, please start from the beginning. Okay, wait. And once I complete the chapter, I'll once again explain you. Till then, wait. Okay, tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, and temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, coniferous forest. These are the few types of forest. So, ma'am, how do we name it, ma'am? How this kind of forest occurs? And see, I'll tell you. All those for all those questions, the next slide is an answer for that. And next is grasslands. Tropical grasslands, temperate grasslands. Desertic scrubs is tropical deserts, tundra regions. Tundra regions means is nothing but dear polar regions. Okay, let me tell you, scrubs means nothing but dear. We used to say that chapatikali, cactus, those kind of thorny bushes, no. Thorns, those are called as desertic scrubs. Okay, so let me tell you how they have divided this kind of forest. Okay, you see, this is India. Let me show you. See this map, world map. Here, Tropic of Cancer you could see, Equator you could see, Tropic of Capricorn you could see, and polar regions are there. Antarctica and the topmost 0 degree you could see. No, that is the polar regions. So see, near to the tropic, any forest that lies means that is called as tropical. It starts with tropical. Okay, you would have studied in the last year itself, tropical region, equator region, and temperate region, and it is polar region. You would have studied already about it. Okay, so in between tropical and the temperate, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
I didn't speak right now. It is very noisy, no, so I didn't speak. So see here, between equator, please mute yourself. Check your connections and see whether if you have unmuted, mute yourself. See, between equator and tropic of Cancer, there is temperate zone. Okay, about the tropic of Cancer, it is frigid zone. That is called as we used to say it as polar region. Okay, in similar way, only the forest has been also divided. Okay, see Amazon rainforest, where it is located. Okay, it is located there. It is called as, it is in tropic of Capricorn, inside tropic of Capricorn. So it is called as tropical rainforest or as tropical evergreen forest. So according to the location of the forest land, okay, on the earth, it is named as such a way. Okay, it is below to tropic of Capricorn means it is called as temperate. Okay, above to tropic of Cancer means called as it is temperate zone. Okay, and after the temperate zone, it is polar region, that is called tundra, we used to say. Okay, this is how according to this only we have named each and every forest in such a way. Temperate forest, tropical forest means that is lying in the tropical region. If it is temperate means that is lying in the temperate region. Okay. Are you clear how we have named such kind of forest and grasslands? Are you clear with us? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, thank you. Yes. Now we are moving to tropical rainforest. Okay, it is very simple. It is too easy. In the name itself, it implies rainforest. So here there will be throughout the year, we will be having rainfall. Okay, and see what is a feature of this forest means this forest have high biodiversity, which means many number of plants and animals will be there. As you know a lot about Amazon forest, mute yourself, check your connection and mute yourself. I can't every time go back and do it. Yeah, so tropical rainforest have high biodiversity, which means many number of plants and animals, even without name, it is living. You know, Amazon forest. Okay, it is as an example for tropical rainforest. Even you could see, even they couldn't name certain species. Okay, that is what it is given as biome. Biome means both plants and animals survival. It will be having such a climatic condition of very good survival of plants.
All types of animals were there, ma'am.
Yes, all kinds of animals, and even you may not expect, like anaconda and many other animals will be there. And the trees will be very high. It will grow very high as compared to the land.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, that means there will be unknown animals and birds also, ma'am, which aren't discovered.
Yeah, if you go into the forest means you may not find a way to come back. Such densities. Dense means nothing but rumba adarthiya irukkum. It may not even sunlight even may not pass inside the forest because it will be keep on raining, no. So many number of living organisms will be keep on reproducing. So even if you go inside, you may not find the right way to come back. Okay, such kind of forest are called as tropical rainforest, or so that only it is named as rainforest or evergreen forest, because rainfall is always there, no, so that it will be green always. No. No plants will be getting dried. Okay, it may not, the leaves may not fall quickly. Okay, because in our areas you could see the leaves maybe keep on falling down. Okay, when it is much of wind that it blows. Yeah.
But in autumn season,
There is no, yeah, that I am
need to
telling.
fall, no, ma'am.
That is what I am telling, dear. Season is in Tropic of Cancer place only. Okay, where we are living in near Tropic of Cancer, isn't it? So we are only facing Asia in northern hemisphere. In Tropic of Cancer region only we are facing seasons. Okay, or you just don't think that all over the world will have all the 4 seasons. Okay, we are only experiencing, all other places in the world will be experiencing only 2 seasons. One is summer season, winter season. Okay, sometimes rainy season. Let me tell you, dear. So other kind of places out of Tropic of Cancer or in northern hemisphere or in southern hemisphere, it will not experience monsoon seasons. Okay, we have spring season, autumn season, and 4 kinds of season that may not be there in all over the world. Don't think like that. Okay, so here in Tropic of Rainforest, it will be keep on raining always. Okay, frequent rain will be there. So unknown species like see here, golden lion tamarin. Okay, it's a kind of endangered monkey or monkey variety. Okay, it seems like lion, no, so that it is named as such a way. So this kind of endangered means nowadays we may not find it. Okay, அதிகமா கிடைக்காது இப்போதைக்கு.
Like dinosaurs.
Ma'am, yeah, like
rare, ma'am.
Yes, very rare. It is not extinct. We used to say another word like extinct. Okay, which is going to be extinct. Like tiger, we are telling no.
Extinct
tiger,
means அழிய போற இனம்.
அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அழிய போற இனம். ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் இப்பவே நம்மளோட ஃபாரஸ்ட் எல்லாத்தையும் we are cutting down, deforestation பண்றோமா. So that these kind of animals and plants, many kind of plants, அது எல்லாமே extinct-ஆ தான் மாறிட்டு வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. Search away. And the next is see this kind of poison dart frog. This frog is not only in blue in color. You just after this session you just go to YouTube and watch it. There will be different colors will be there. According to the color it has a poison in it. Okay, it will be very poisonous frog which is available only in Amazon rainforest. Okay, so like this kind of animals will also be there, and this you cannot find anywhere. It is an herbivore. It may not see, you may think it is a fish. Okay, it is manatee. It is not a fish, it's a herbivore. It is used, it will eat only plants. Okay, it will eat only plants. Okay, that is its herbivore. Okay, and it is also living only in Amazon forest, that it becomes extinct right now. Okay, and these are the few more animals and birds. Okay, you could see one is jaguar. It is not already there. Next is toucan. Okay, this is a kind of bird. And next is orangutan. Okay, you have seen many in National Geographic channels and everywhere. And harpy eagle, this kind of eagles. So this kind of variety of species are living only in rainforest alone. Wherever the rainforest is there, we have lungs of the world, that is called as Amazon is the main example of the rainforest, that is evergreen forest. Okay. Yes, very few. Even jaguar, I think jaguar is an extinct animal. And you could see chimpanzee, all those things also becoming extinct. We could see very rarest one. Okay, so why these kind of things will live? So these are the features of rainforest. Even sunlight cannot get into the forest, and the trees like canopy. See the trees, these trees are very high. It may not grow in normal land. Okay, so that kind of trees will be this is the major producers in the tropical rainforest, fern and canopy trees. Okay, this is the pictures of those trees. And so I've told you, yes, see here in the last in the right hand side, yes dear, please wait, let me complete. In the right hand side last picture there are 5 trees. No, just to see the 5th tree with leaves, a emergent layer is given. No, that is the layer. See, till canopy layer is there. No, till that layer only all the trees will grow. But in rainforest alone, this emergent layer, that is overgrown trees will be there. Okay, in normal areas until canopy layer only all the trees will grow. Okay, so this is a main speciality of rainforest and evergreen forest. Okay, do you have any doubts with this rainforest, dears? Let me move on to.
No, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
No, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Mute yourself, please. If you raise your hands, that is more than enough. You may not want to say yes or no. Okay, then next is tropical deciduous forest. As you have asked a question previously, no, there will be a seasons. No, ma'am, there is a fall of leaves like autumn season. No, ma'am, then how does the trees keep on so you asked searched out in a rainforest. No, that is the answer for deciduous forest. Okay, that forest that is in the areas where the continental climate, that is called as near tropical region. Okay, like in India. Okay, this is found in largest part of India because India is alone experiencing monsoon seasons. No, in such places if the forest is there means that is called as tropical deciduous forest. What is the meaning of deciduous, ma'am? Deciduous means nothing but ilai udirvu, that is falling of leaves, that is called deciduous forest. So according to the climate, what happens, it will be the leaves of the plants will be keep on falling down. Okay, and this is a moist continental climate. It has 4 seasons. I think your doubt would have been cleared here itself. And generally mild summer, that is what we are experiencing right now, no? Summer 70 degrees, winter 32 degrees. It's simply India. Imagine India where we have tropical deciduous forest. Okay, so the climatic change caused by oceans, that is we have seen already in air pressure chapter, no? That is high pressure, low pressure. Based on that only we have climatic changes and monsoon climates are there. Okay, are you clear with this? Just raise your hands, that's enough. Okay, thank you. And so what are the next things? Here, how far the trees will grow means around 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter of rainfall. The trees will, there will be only this much of rainfall. So the trees will be grow in such a way only. Please check your, please mute yourself. And there are two types of trees are there. One is the climatic condition will be sometimes moist when it is rainy season or winter season, and next is dry during autumn and summer season. Okay, what are some examples of these trees means teak, sal tree, and people and neem are the examples of the trees that are found. Even in India also it is found. So you will be clear with this.
Then people
Yes.
tree under only Buddha had
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Okay, and so what are the animals? You could see tiger is our national animal. So base tiger will be there, pig, lion, deer, and wild ox. All these things, animals will be living here. Okay,
An elephant.
Difference between two. Okay, so evergreen forest will be dense because yes, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, the rainforest is located in which country, ma'am?
South America, that is example Amazon forest. Amazon rainforest is the example there, and many other forests are there that are not that much huge. And let me tell, just to see this tabular column for the difference between these two. It is very dense because the sunlight cannot go into that, because that much dense. Romba adarthiya irukum. Deciduous forest are not so dense because seasonal changes varadanaala what happens, the falling of leaves that will occur, and they shed their leaves at different times of the year. You know that there is no seasonal changes in evergreen forest because there is no seasons at all. Only rainfall will be there. So according to the one day or the other the leaves has to fall down. So in such a way only evergreen forest trees will just the leaves will be fallen down. But here in the particular time of the year in the deciduous forest, like in autumn season, it will be keep on falling down. And the next is this forest are found in the areas where we receive heavy rainfall. In India also, where you receive heavy rainfall, in those areas you could see this kind of evergreen forest. And this will be this forest are found a large part of the country. And here the trees like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, those will be growing very in a very high, and those stem is also very broader. And here teak, people, neem, and the sesame are the few trees. And here this forest are found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and northeastern states. Okay, you just imagine your world map. I already shown you where the equator lies, where the Tropic of Cancer lies, and where the temperate zone lies. So just go into it, and you could see Western Ghats in our side in Kerala, and those and in that side you could see evergreen forest. Those are also called as evergreen forest, but that is not that much bigger like Amazon. So that only I have taken Amazon as an example. Okay, so here it is found, deciduous forests are found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and in parts of Maharashtra we could see these kind of forests. Okay, these are the difference between these two. And next we are moving to temperate zone. Tropical we have seen Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, Amazon rainforest lies, and Tropic of Cancer we could see tropical deciduous forest we have seen. And now moving into temperate zone. Okay, temperate evergreen forest. Okay, this is nothing but the course of year, the climate will range from cold with precipitation in the form of snow, hot, in the form of snow to hot, and with the precipitation in the form of rain. Okay, so the precipitation is nothing but rainfall, may vary from season as well, with some seasons being the wetter than others. So in a constant seasons, we cannot find constant seasons. Okay, in tropical regions we could see constant seasons, but here we may not think so. Okay, sometimes it may be very colder, sometimes it may be heavy rainfall. So such regions are called as evergreen forest. It is found in mid-latitudinal, as I have shown in the map, above to the tropical region, mid-latitudinal region, southeast USA, South China, and southeast Brazil, or in these places only these kind of temperate forest will be there. Okay, it's my very good advice. Once you finish this chapter, just again open that world map and see where these countries are located. You can easily find whether it is in temperate region or in tropical region. So you can easily get into the points clearly. Okay, those who are even having confusion with this temperate and tropical, end of the session you again open that, so that only I have attached both India map as well as world map here. So you just, with that you can clarify all your points, that will be very clear. Okay, the next is so here what kind of plants and animals will be there? That is maple, ferns. I have even shown the pictures of those plants, how it looks like, because I could not see much more plants. Tamil name for much more plants. The same name will be there for Tamil name also. So oak and birch and lichen, these are the kinds of plants will be there. And deciduous forest, this is temperate deciduous forest. Okay, where already we have seen temperate evergreen forest, which is nothing but here cold we can experience high, means rainfall also we will experience high. Okay, and in tropical deciduous forest means the trees found here will lose their leaves. Okay, lose their leaves in the fall. It is found in high latitudinal regions. High latitude means in mountainous regions. Okay, it is western part of Europe, New Zealand, eastern part of USA, Chile. It is outside of our country, both are. Okay, so the animals like fox, deer, all these things will be there. And the next is Mediterranean vegetation. Mediterranean vegetation means is nothing but these are naturally occurred climate where it is found in Mediterranean Sea. You know very well, I think. And so in Mediterranean, okay, there only, that is Europe means I could say it is Spain, those areas, no, that is called as European continent. There only Mediterranean Sea that flows in that area near Atlantic Ocean. So that area will experience this Mediterranean vegetation. What does this means, ma'am? See how they vegetate how they did it. See, the citrus fruits, figs means, you know, atiparam. Okay, olives, you know, you have seen olive oil, it is made, no, that kind of olive fruit. And vineyards means is nothing but drachai totem and grapes. All these things will be there. Okay, they will grow only. This is artificially made by the people, and this is a soil that can grow these kind of citrus fruit only. Citrus fruit means that kind that consists of citric acid in it. Okay, so that is called as citrus fruits. Okay, so it is also called as orchards of the world, because most probably all kind of grapes and citrus fruits will be keep on growing here. From here only, throughout the places of the world, it is exported. So it is called as, this region is also called as orchards of the world. Okay, this vegetations the peoples are doing near the Mediterranean Sea area. Here the climatic condition, we have only two climatic condition. One is hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. There may not be heavy rainfall, so that only the area is like this, and dry summers. So here only if the fruits like these fruits can only grow here. You could see I have highlighted here, there isn't much wildlife here. There is no wildlife in this vegetation. Okay, and next is coniferous forest. Easily I could tell you it is otherwise called as taiga. Taiga means is nothing but untouched. What is the meaning of untouched? Means most probably here no people will visit here because it lies in the, mute yourself. It most of the time it lies in the mountainous area. For example, Himalayan regions you could take. Okay, in any other icy areas like Alps mountain, like icy and very high hills. Okay, you could say high altitude. Altitude means higher places. Okay, that mountainous region, as I'm showing in the picture, such kind of forest is called as coniferous forest. The trees you see how it grows, and the place you see it is fully surrounded by mountains. Okay, so here the trees will be softwood and the tall trees will be there. So the trees here will be used for making of paper, matchboxes we use, no, tea kuchi, tea petty, all these things, and paper making, and those things were taken from this softwood. Please mute yourself. Who's there? Please mute yourself. Okay, and the trees like pine, cedar, all the examples of the trees that I show in the picture. And animals like a silver fox, polar bear, since it is icy, hilly area, you could see polar bear here. Even polar bear will be there in polar region only, but here it is icy area and a hilly area, so that you could see few more polar bears here. And silver fox, that is white color fox, that is also you could see in these areas. So far we have completed all types of forest, my dears. Okay, the next is we are moving to grasslands. As you know, grasslands means the grass, the two types only there are. Only the grass, some places you could see here, it will grow in the grass will be very lengthy grass, and you could see in our areas you could see very small grasses. This two type of grasses only we are going to see right now. So tropical grasslands first and temperate grasslands, only two there are. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, can you repeat those two types of grasslands?
Yes, I'll repeat. Vignesh are only doing such thing. Okay, two type of grasslands. One is tropical and another is temperate. Okay, tropical grasslands means this occurs in the equator side of the earth. Okay, near to the equator, like savanna grasslands in Africa. You could see background of this lines. Okay, as a line will be there, and you could see the type of grass is there. Okay, it is dry grass and it is very big in size. No, such kind of grasses will be found in similar. This kind of grassland is called as savanna grassland. Okay, which is in Africa. And the tropical grasslands or the biomes found in warm regions and characterized by having two very distinct seasons. One is short rainy season and dry very long. Okay, since it is lying near the equator, you know very clearly the sunlight will be keep on blowing throughout the year, isn't it? So if it is keep on we are receiving sunlight throughout the year, means what happens, it is very long dry season. Okay, because throughout the year the heat will be there exist, and often we may not receive rainfall. Very rare we receive rainfall. That is a kind of forest. Okay, so that only it is savanna forest is near to the equator. This is the main thing. The next is the wild animals. What are the kind of wild animals will be there? This is African savanna. grassland, you could see these many number of wild animals will be living there. Okay, ostrich, wild bees, zebra, Thompson Gazelle, and secretary bird, lion, cheetah, and many other animals will be there. You could see this as wildlife sanctuary. Okay, many of the wildlife sanctuary will have this kind of grasslands. Okay, the next is temperate grassland. You could see in this picture itself, it is very short grasses. Okay, because due to lower rainfall, the tall there may be the grasses is only 3 meters tall. Okay, it may not here highest taller grass is just simply 3 meters alone. Okay, it may not that much like tropical grasslands. Okay, because of less rainfall, it will get very short grasses. And this the animals and what are the ma'am, what are the types of where it is tropical grass, sorry, temperate grasslands or there means it is a prairie, it is in USA. Okay, that is the first picture here says. And next is pampas. Okay, it is in South America. And the next is savanna, a part of savanna. What happens? Could you see my picture? Could you see my screen, dears?
Ma'am, Dayasri was sharing her screen, ma'am.
Screen, ma'am, so that your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes,
My screen
ma'am.
is visible now.
No, ma'am.
Somebody can share it, dear. I have just set security for that. Nobody can do that.
No, ma'am, we can share.
No, ma'am. But Dayasri did it, ma'am.
But Dayasri is not in my line. Okay, let me do it once again. No issues. Could you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, it is pampas in South America, and the veldets it's in Africa, and steppes is in Eurasia, in ancient continent, and including in Europe continents together called as Eurasia. The borders of Europe and Asia, you could see this kind of temperate grasslands. And the next is thorny bushes. If you see the thorny bushes itself, you will come to know it is in only deserts. Yes, you are thinking is right. It is, you could see most probably in the desert area, you could see this kind of thorny bushes. Okay, it's located in western margin of the continents, western side of the continents, you could see it. And the vegetation power is here scarce. Scarce means very low. We may not have any vegetation because there is not proper climatic condition here exists, isn't it? So we may not have proper vegetation here. The plants like dates, cactus will be grown here. And due to scanty rain, scanty means low rainfall, very low rainfall in deserts, we may not receive even average rainfall also. Then scorching heat means it is a unbelievable heat due to the sunlight in desert area. There may not be no plants at all, no. So scorching heat means unbelievable heat. Okay, we cannot bear it. Okay, that is called as scorching heat. Scanty rain means it is very less in number. Okay, so here, so that scarcity we used to say, no. Similarly, vegetation also very less here. We may not have that much vegetation in thorny bushes areas. And let us move on to tundra vegetation, where which is called as polar region. What kind of vegetation? Akhileshwaran, check that you have muted yourself or not. Lakshana, mute yourself. Yes, Venkatachalam, mute yourself. Okay. So here you could see tundra means it's nothing but polar region. It is, you have polar region, two polar regions. In northern hemisphere, what is there? One of you tell me. In northern hemisphere, what is the name of the polar region is? Yeah, in northern hemisphere, no. What is the name of the polar region there? Arctic or Antarctic. One
Arctic,
of
ma'am.
yes, very good. It is Arctic. Antarctic is in southern
Arctic,
hemisphere.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, very good. Southern hemisphere we have Antarctic tundra. Arctic tundra and Antarctic tundra. Here there may be no trees because of it is very cold and freezing climatic condition. There may be no trees at all, and we may not have any. There should be average rainfall and average climate condition should be there for growing trees, and any kind of living beings can survive. But you could see Arctic region, no humans can survive there. Okay, a few number of animals can be there. Even snakes cannot survive there in Arctic region and Antarctic region at all. The next is alpine tundra. Alpine is in alpine is an European continental irukku. It is in it's a border. So Alps mountain we used to say, near to that they are following alpine tundra. So here there is no trees, and the vegetation here is cannot be done, and it's more mountainous rather than flat lands. So mountainous lands that is as compared to other things. And what similarly what kind of trees most probably will be here means it's birches and junipers. You could see the picture of the trees there itself in the picture, and willow trees. Okay, willow trees most probably we utilize it for making of leather, paper, all those things, and mosses and lichens. This kind of trees and plants, bushes will be there in mainly in this region. And what kind of animals will be here means tundra region means what is it? Can you guess?
Ma'am.
Can you guess what is it?
Seal, ma'am.
Ma'am, sea lion, ma'am.
Very
Sea
good,
lion.
very good, very good. Seal walrus.
Ma'am,
Yes,
seal
yes,
is
it's
small.
walrus. Yes, it's seal walrus. And this is yes, it's walrus. This is
Ice wolf, ma'am. Snow wolf.
it is silver fox. Yes, snow fox or else silver fox. And these are a polar bear, and it is white eagle. Okay, and it is silver fox. Okay. Yes, all. Yes, it's all. Yes, it's all. Snow. Sorry, snow. Okay, all these kind of animals only there exist. Okay, in tundra regions. And this is that's all your chapter, my dears. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Let me show you the map again, or with all these things you have to keep it in. Yes, thank you. See, now see India, you could see here there are colors. Okay, in legend box there are colors. You could see what kind of forest that lies in various part of India. Okay, let me test you. Alpine vegetation in the India, where it occurs? See the map and tell me alpine vegetation where it occurs in India. In which location, in each place in India it is. See the map and tell me. See
Ma'am,
the
Jammu
legend.
and Kashmir and
Yes,
Arunachal
Jammu and Kashmir,
Arunachal
Pradesh.
Ma'am,
Yes, very
Arunachal
good.
Pradesh, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Jammu
very
and
good.
Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh.
Very good.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Very good, very good. Superb. Very good, your attentiveness is very nice. And the next is tropical thorn. You could see
Ma'am,
the size.
Ma'am,
Andhra
Pradesh,
Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, some parts
Yes.
of Uttar Pradesh,
Ma'am, Rajasthan, Punjab,
Yes.
Maharashtra.
Maharayana, Delhi,
Yes, yes.
Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana,
Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh,
Yes.
Gujarat.
Yes, dear, stop it for a while, and I'm going to ask another question. Why it is thorny bushes are there in Rajasthan? What is there?
Ma'am, desert.
Ma'am, because
What
the
is the name
uh,
of the desert?
by a hot
What is the
climate,
name of the desert?
because the scarcity of
Yeah,
because the
it's
scarcity
Thar
of
desert. Yeah. It's Thar desert. Thar desert is there so that, yes, Thar desert is there so that we have such kind of climate condition there. Any more doubts you have, my dears, you can ask me. I think
doubts,
most
ma'am.
probably we
No
have.
doubts, ma'am.
it's clear, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. And please move into your chat box and check whether you have completed your attendance. And I will send you, my dear, for the 2 chapters. Okay. Up to this, let me speak for a while. With this, we have completed this month portion. Okay, we have 2 chapters. One is towns, traders and craft persons, and natural vegetation and wildlife. Both we have completed with this. Okay, and I will send you the mind map and this PPT. Yeah, PPT and everything I will send you, so that don't worry, you just practice and complete your classwork within Monday. Okay, and see your chat box whether if you haven't complete your attendance, kindly complete it. It is in the top of the chat box.
Ma'am, I
Your
had
attendance,
complete, ma'am.
if you have completed, thank you so much. If you have done, yes, if you have completed, you can leave it there. Everything I'll post it in WhatsApp. Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Complete your attendance and you can move.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, thank you so much. Ma'am, please, I think few of you didn't mark your attendance.
Stay
Please do
safe,
it.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care of your health. Be happy. And participate in all the competitions, forthcoming competitions. Independence Day competition and Krishna Jayanti competition is there. Kindly participate in that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
944052362. That's your number, ma'am.
362. My number may not end with 362, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Rakabandhan competition certificate.
Oh my God, I will ask because it is not done by me. Just I'll ask, dear. Don't worry.